All right, guys. We meet again, and this time, I think we are done with the two models. So now, we proceed with the follow-up activity. Yeah. Okay. Now, first thing first, I would like you guys to examine the following Twitter screenshots. Okay. So this is the first situation. So it's about pelajar IPT lembik nak bunuh diri sebab tak balik. Wah, kau bolehlah sedap kata mereka yang terkandas di you macam tu. Sebab kau dah sempat balik. Dah peluk mak ayah sendiri mereka. Cuba letak diri sendiri kat tempat mereka. Apa agaknya yang kau rasa? How's their life? So this is the first situation, yeah? Okay, the second situation is this. Makin bagi pendapat, makin bodoh pula budak-budak you ni. Faham bahasa tak yang semua orang pun struggle. Duduk je lah dalam college diam-diam. Kau susah pun masih cukup makan minum free lagi. Boleh main laptop, phone semua. So, there are two situations here. And I think everyone knows what this situation is all about. With the recent announcement of the continuation of movement control order by our Prime Minister, uh, the minis the Ministry of Higher Learning is considering of having students who are still in the hostel or in the university to transport them or to send them back home. But then again, Malaysians are giving a mixture of opinions when it comes to the situation. Some of them, they say that, we need to understand the students, they are all alone there. Some of them are staying alone in a room. They don't meet people that often, and then the longing of wanting to go back home and meeting the parents and so on. Also, there's another situation, there's another end. So you can see here, yeah, that these two situations basically they pick the whole situation or the whole issue here, whether or not we should send the students back home for the third PKP, or they should actually stay at home. Yeah, they should actually stay at home. Sorry, they should actually stay in hostel or in the university. All right, so this is basically the issue that we have here. There are two ends of it. So what I want you guys to do is, after you have examined these two situations, I would like you to analyze the argument based on either Toulmin model of argument or Rogerian model of argument. So first thing first, you must decide which model to be used. And you must be able to justify why you choose this model, whatever model, yeah. Then once you have decided which model to use, next is for you to come up with your analysis. Now, I don't want you to write an essay because I just want to see and I just want to gauge your understanding towards these two models. So what I want you guys to do is perhaps you can perhaps you can come up with an infographic. Yeah, I would like you to come up with an infographic, and then you can actually refer to the slide on you can refer to slide number 9 for Tolman's infographic, or slide number 12 for Rogerian's infographic. So I just want you to come up with a very simple infographic that actually shows the analysis that you have come up with in order to analyze those two situations, or the issue that I have mentioned just now. Okay, so your infographic should be like 1 page long. No need for you to come up with a beautiful one. Just enough for me to understand the whole concept, or the whole analysis. And once you are done, make sure that you save your infographic in a form of a in a form of JPEG or PNG, and then you upload at the given link. Okay, I would like you to upload at the given link. It's actually our Padlet, so please upload there. Once you have uploaded, I'll assess. You have basically until end of this week to complete this follow-up activity. Yeah, so I guess that is all. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.